Are you filming?
Huh? No.
Okay, I'm Marcus Vasilevsky. I'm gonna get shot with...
Welcome to Jackass.
Hey, where's the reball?
You had it, man.
Oh, with this thing. Rubber ball. With...
Are we gonna use the DM6?
If you want.
I mean, I guess we can. No.
This thing. It's gonna hurt, probably. I'm doing no shirt.
No shirt?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So fucking suck. I'm trying to cry.
Dun, 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 dun.
Hello? Hey, Mom. How you doing?
You might want to tell her I'm over here.
Oh, well, Preston's spending the night. Yeah, they took me to Shintomi. Yeah, so he's spending the night, if you don't mind. Okay, good, because he's gonna do it anyways. How you doing? Okay. Yeah, we get Shintomi. I'm about to be shot. Scream.
Oh, God.
Fuck. Why am I doing this? Safety first. Okay, I can stand right here, right there.
Dude, I don't care. Either one, man.
I think if I stood right here, we'd have a less chance of losing the reball.
Yeah, but we'd also have more of a chance of hitting that lamp.
So?
Okay. Whatever.
I mean,
It's really your call. Why don't you explain to the viewers what just happened there, Marcus?
Did the wall.
We took a little test shot there.
I missed this. I hit the wall.
So we're gonna go turn the veloc.
Can I get the ball here? I'm gonna try that again. One more time.
Yeah. Whoa, easy there, kill. Easy there, turbo.
Fuck. It's not on. I hit it. Can I get like a... Are you filming?
Yeah. Oh.
Can I get like a demo first, kinda?
A demo?
See how fast it'll go. Alright, here. Give me the ball. Is it on?
No.
Oh shit, nigga.
Alright, you know it.
Walls leak. Little dots everywhere.
Maybe. We'll see. So, how do you think you took it?
Yeah, I feel like I took it pretty well. My butt.
You ready?
Yeah. Ow! Fuck! Fuck you! Damn it! Piss! It didn't hurt too bad. I mean, it's not funny. Fuck you. Fuck you! Ow! Where the fuck is the ball? God fucking damn it! Ow! Ow! Ball, dude. Found it. Your turn.
Give me that jersey.
Okay, here's the aftermath. Is it bad?
Yeah.
Looks like I saw the kind of like a tree stump.
Yeah, a bit.
Alright, let's see yours. So, how do you think you took it?
Well, okay, I guess. I mean, after Marcus missed the first time.
Did I miss you?
Yeah! I was kind of freaked out, cause, I mean, I was just like a little bit freaked out.
okay, get back.
Fucking dick!
Okay, here, let me just set this up so the camera's watching you.
Shit!
Okay, here, let me just do this.
Dude, don't concentrate on the camera.
Well, I couldn't.
It's gonna be watching me.
No, I couldn't, I didn't know if I was like hitting you or not.
Fuck, dude! You gotta aim! It's hard. Cause, I mean, he missed from like 5 feet away. So,
Good point.
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
No, not really.
Hey, I could shoot you right now.
I know that. You're gonna
Turn around, it's recording right now. Oh, bitch.
just shoot me in the back or the ass. Piss out my ass. Ow! Ow!
Alright, yeah, the camera's still recording.